I missed something.
It is nasty outside.
You ever ridden or drove in weather this bad?
Yeah, one time in West Virginia when we went to the campground, it was this bad.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it gets really nasty. There's Spencer.
Yeah, where is Spencer? That's a good question.
I see his one headlight.
Look in front of us.
What's in front of us? Nothing.
Yeah, that's the problem. Not a damn thing.
Go to your left. Go to your left.
No, I'm good. I'm on the road.
You're in the pit almost.
Am I?
Yeah, you're almost in the pit.
No.
Yeah.
No.
There's the one
See,
place
right
in the
there.
road we can see.
I'm good. Holy shit.
Yeah.
You know one thing you do on this?
What? You're not supposed to brake, right?
Like,
You're supposed to
feel that?
Yeah.
Guess where you're at?
In the middle.
You're in the middle.
Yes, it is. Nice outside.
You know, that's not a bad idea.
What?
To hit that and know you're in the middle. Oh, there's a car coming at us. Does that car know where he's going?
Yeah. It's Tahoe. Yeah, nice outside.
This is shitty.
Oh yeah. It's the first blizzard in Maryland seen in forever.
Oh yeah.
Oh
You
yes.
see, we both got our four-ways on though, because
yeah.
everything you can do to make yourself more visible. Like Spencer wasn't undoing his headlights.
Yeah.
You got to make sure that you uncover every visible point of that car.
Oh yeah. How's the neighborhood?
Sucks.
Yeah.
I like it that.
Yeah. I think it might give you more grip, maybe. I don't know.
No, but it lets you know that. Well, you know what? It can't hurt the grip.
No. It can only improve.
Oh yeah. But
between Maryland and Virginia, they are alternating traffic one direction at a time, one police direction.
yeah, that sucks.